Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Instacart. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in instacart.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Instacart website. Now, right within the homepage, you will see the sign up button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it and this will then take you into your sign up page. You can proceed forward with your Facebook, your Google account, or you may also use your phone number. Alternatively, type in your email address within the given box and click on the continue button. After proceeding with either one of these methods, you will be asked to enter the verification code. Just check your inbox or your SMS and you will find your verification code sent to you by Instacart. Just type in this code within the given box and now your account will be verified. You will now be able to enter your address. After entering your address, you will now be able to browse through the list of all of the groceries that you can buy on Instacart right away. You can add a password to your account if you wish by clicking on account at the bottom left corner and then clicking on your account settings. From here, you can simply click on add password in order to add a password to your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Instacart. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.